Welcome back to the Technical CAD. In this video, I will show you how to work with isometric drawings. Isometric drawing is a 2D drawing but which is looking like a partial 3D. Let's go into the video. So this is the isometric drawing we are going to work on today. Let's go into the AutoCAD. Here first go for units. Let's take this precision 0.00 and this will be in millimeters. Okay. Now let's start reading the drawing. So we have length of 75 mm and width of 52 mm and 9 mm as thickness. Let's draw that. Before going to that, I have to say you one important thing. First go for drafting settings and snap and grid. Here we have a snap type, already we have discussed in the first class, that is grid snap and polar snap. In grid snap again it is divided into two types, one is rectangular snap and isometric snap. So for drawing isometric drawings we need isometric snap. Select that. Also go for polar tracking. In polar tracking we need 30 degrees angle because the angle of inclination in isometric drawing will be always 30 degrees. So let's give OK. So now you observe a difference in the working plane. So if you want to switch between the planes, front plane, side plane and top plane, so you can use the shortcut F5. So if you press F5, it is a top view, it is a left view, side view, it is a front view. So like this we can do. Now let's see the drawing one more time. 75 and 52. I will select Ortho Mode. Select this line. This will be 75, right? So it is not going in this side. So for that purpose I will press F5. This is 52 and 75. So join that. Now we have 9 mm thickness. Press F5 to change 5. Sorry, we have it as a 9. I will extend it. Length for 4 mm, so it will be 9 now. Select this line. Press this line and draw in this direction. Go for trim, TR 2 times enter and select this line and this line to trim. So I'll trim this portion and this portion. Here this one, like this. Now here also we will take 9. Okay. Press F5 to change the direction. Okay, now it's perfect. And now what I have to do is, let's see, here I have to draw this one. Here the distance will be like from bottom to the center point of the circle is 49. So I'll draw 49 from the center here. 49. Okay, and now I need total thickness will be 9 mm. So go back and select line. Here from this point we need a 4.5 mm. Let's put the lengthiest line so that after that we can trim that. So for this side also we have to take 4.5 mm and draw. Okay, it's fine. Now what is the next step is we have to create that one semicircle here, this U shape. So for that I will go for circle. In isometric drawing, so we should not use a direct circle option, so it will not work out. So if I go for circle, so you can see it's not working, it's not looking in the right way. So for that purpose what I will do is I will go for axis and ellipse, and here iso circle option is there. So click that and select from the center point and give the radius. So in the drawing we have a 15 mm radius for the inner circle and 23 mm radius for outer circle. Let's draw 15 mm. Go back one more. Yeah. So now again draw from the starting iso circle. Select this and give 15 mm, and now again go for iso circle with 8 mm, I mean plus 8 mm, 15 plus 8 is 23. So now draw the line from the center point to this point. So I will delete this line and this line, this line. Also I will trim the remaining portion so that it will be easy for us to edit. Okay, and now we have to trim this portion. Select this one, this one, this one. Now remove this and again go for trim, remove this portion and this portion. So now you can see that this is perfectly all right. Now go for line option, press F5, 52. This side also 52, and now go for here 52. From this point 52. Go for trim again, this portion and this portion. Okay, and now we have to draw this same symbol backside. For that purpose I will go for isocircle again. From this center, so it's better to draw one line to remove the confusion. 52. So now it's better to draw the circle, isocircle. Select this point, press F5, that is 15 mm and 23 mm. 23. Now you can see it's perfectly alright. Go for drawing a line here now. So from this point it's have to draw like this, and from this point you have to continue like this. Go for trim now. Select this one. Now this one. Oops. I think it's perfectly alright now. So let us take line, one more line, and from this diamond point we have to press F5. Like this. Go for trim option. So trim this. Yeah. Okay. And now here we can see that here one line is there, so this stand it represents. We have to draw one more line here, like this portion, and draw from this point F5. Okay, remove this. Yeah, it's looking perfect now. And now one more thing is there, so this side portion, flange portion is there. At this point we have to draw in this shape, circular shape. So for that purpose what I will do is, here it is 22 and 8 plus total 30 is there. In 52 if we remove 30 we have 22. So at the point of 22 I need to draw this type of circle one more time. So from this center point I have to 22 distance and go for this iso circle again. Select this, press F5. F5 I have to give 23. At 22 let's delete this one. We have to take 22 here. 22. TR double enter to remove this and this. and take one more line option here. From here it will take press F5 or double enter. So remove that. This one and this one. Now I'll select line from here to here. I'll take that, and now they have given a distance of 8 mm. So just I have to draw from this point 8 mm, and from that point also I have to draw this on downside 8 mm. So now join both the points, this point, this point. Now go for trim, remove this, remove this. Yeah. Now it's perfectly all right, I think. Just compare here. So you have the little portion here and you have the same little portion here. So everything you can check here. So it's perfectly all right now. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get the latest updates. Thank you.